Good evening, students. Today we will discuss the very important terms which I have already written here. See here, these terms are regarding the unit number 4, electromagnetic induction. What are the topics which we are going to discuss? Most important for exam point of view also. Yes, first one is Akshita, unit of self-inductance. Second, mutual induction and mutual inductance. These two terms are very important. Let us discuss one by one. Yes बच्चों, number one, remember one thing, बेटा inductance कोई भी हो, either it is of self inductance or mutual inductance, the SI unit of inductance is Henry. Yes, the answer of very first problem, what is the SI unit of self inductance? Henry, Henry, capital letter H. Henry is the SI unit of self-inductance. Now, beta, let us define this term. Abhinav Sharma, how we can define Henry? Let us approach the mathematics so that we can develop the definition. Yes, let us start definition of 1 Henry. Beta, for a single coil, you know that as the current passes through the coil में करंट फ्लो करता है, करंट से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनता है, फील्ड से बच्चों फ्लक्स बनता है. तो बेटा फ्लक्स डिपेंड ऑन करंट, फाई डिपेंड ऑन आई, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डिपेंड ऑन द करंट फ्लोइंग. व्हाट इज फाई? इट इज इक्वल टू एल आई. व्हाट इज एल? एल इज कांस्टेंट. Yes, Ishita, what is L? Sir, it is the coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance. Now, what is according to Faraday law? Faraday law, induced EMF equal to minus rate of change of magnetic flux. According to Faraday law, remember the mathematics, equal to minus d over dt, put the value of phi, Li. L is constant outside, minus L di over okay, E divided by di over dt minus sign equal to L. See here. Yes, Abhinav Diwan, let us define the term 1 Henry. Henry is the SI unit of inductance and L is the symbol of inductance. Shabash. Now what is L? Sir, 1 Henry, it is equal to EMF 1 volt minus, what is current? 1 ampere, time 1 second. Keep it in the box. ये है बेटा 1 Henry का mathematics. So let us define the term. Yes बेटा, self-inductance of a coil is said to be 1 Henry. You can note down in your copy. Yes. Self-inductance of a coil is said to be 1 Henry if rate of decrease of current, minus का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे, rate of decrease of current of 1 ampere per second induces an EMF of 1 volt in the coil. If the rate of decrease of current, what is the English of this? Rate of decrease of current of 1 ampere per second induces an EMF of 1 volt in the coil. ये है बेटा 1 Henry. Very special definition of 1 Henry. Okay, so this is the solution of problem number 1. Henry is the SI unit of self-inductance. चलिए बेटा दूसरा, mutual induction and mutual inductance. बेटा as the name suggests, what is the name? Yes, Abhimanyu. Sir, it is mutual induction. Mutual mean contribution of two. Mutual mean property of two coils. Let us see mutual induction. See the diagram. Two coils property. This is the coil number 1. It is known as primary. It is the coil number 2 known as secondary coil. Yes, this is the primary input circuit. Here is the source we can connect with the help of key. Here is the output section where you can get the output. Yes, input, output. Primary secondary circuit. Primary circuit, secondary circuit. So beta, what happens in mutual induction? Yes, Rashmi, see here, as the key is closed. बच्चों key को close करो. As the key is closed, current start flowing through primary. Magnetic field and flux start growing. फिर magnetic flux linked with secondary because it is close to primary. वही magnetic flux इसके साथ link कर गया and with the passage of time change कर गया. तो क्या पैदा होगी यहां पर रितिका? Induced EMF is set up in the secondary coil. Induced EMF. It means output is obtained in the secondary circuit. So what does it mean? Yes, Uday Reher, what is this property? Sir, mutual induction is the property of two coils. Write down the definition. It is the property of two coils. Due to which induced EMF is set up in one coil. Induced EMF is set up in one coil when magnetic flux linked with the neighboring coil changes. इसमें magnetic flux आएगा, वो इसके साथ लिंक करेगा, induced EMF पैदा हो जाएगा. तो क्या बोला आपने? Mutual induction, the phenomena according to which, write down the definition. The phenomena according to which induced EMF is set up in one coil when magnetic flux linked with the neighboring coil changes. So this is very, very important property of two coils. So what do you observe? Beta, flux link with secondary, इसके साथ flux link होगा. Flux link with secondary depend on अक्षय शर्मा current passing through primary. जितना करंट भेजेंगे उसी से फील्ड और फ्लक्स पैदा होगा. क्या लिखा मैंने? फ्लक्स लिंक विद सेकेंडरी डिपेंड ऑन करंट पासिंग थ्रू प्राइमरी. दिस इज प्राइमरी. सो व्हाट इज phi s इक्वल टू MIP? व्हाट इज M बेटा? यस Rashi Thakur, what is M? Sir, M is constant of proportionality known as coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. L क्या था? Self inductance. What is M? Mutual inductance M. It is again very important. Let us define the term mutual inductance. तो आज का हमारा last definition, last important term mutual inductance. M is the symbol of mutual inductance. M is the symbol of mutual inductance. Shabash. Let us define this term. Beta, how we can define? Shabash. Again, if IP equal to 1, if IP is 1, then what is M? It is phi s. Yes. As you have defined earlier, जैसा आपने L को डिफाइन किया था ठीक वैसे ही अंकिता, अक्षिता, you can define M. तो बोलो बेटा, लिख लेना आज कॉपी पर. Mutual inductance of two coils, write down. Mutual inductance of two coils is numerically equal to, shabash, is numerically equal to magnetic flux linked with the secondary. Magnetic flux linked with the secondary when current flowing through the primary coil is unity. Again listen, mutual inductance of two coils is numerically equal to magnetic flux linked with the secondary when current flowing through primary coil is unity. इसमें 1 एम्पियर करंट भेजा जाएगा. 1 एम्पियर करंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैदा करेगा, फ्लक्स पैदा करेगा, इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ पैदा करेगा. ध्यान दीजिए. सो मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस इज न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल टू मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स लिंक्ड विद सेकेंडरी व्हेन करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द प्राइमरी इज 1 ampere or unity. Yes beta, it was about mutual induction, about the property of two coils. One is primary, other is known as secondary. Yes Atul Jaswal, remember either it is self inductance or it is mutual inductance. Unit of inductance is Henry. So this is the very, very important principle of an electrical device. Tomorrow we are going to discuss that. The name of that device is transformer, and you will be surprised to know the principle on which transformer works. That is the mutual induction. So tomorrow we will discuss up to, then revise the terms: self-induction, property of a single coil; self-inductance, symbol is L; mutual induction, property of two coils; mutual inductance, M is the symbol of mutual inductance. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet for the discussion of transformer.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløben som om hverdag var en lørdag. Så mange damer er